Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have BOSE 700 headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily enable remembering the last setting you have done. At first we have to open our application and click on our headphones. Now we have to click on favorites. Here we can change our active noise cancellation presets, for example tone strength 5 and 0. And now we can change it, and here we can remember my last setting, enable this. Your headphones go back to your last noise cancelling level when they power on. That's it, hope it helps you, goodbye.